Alright ladies, in this short video I'm going to show you how to import contacts into your back office on 31 Today. We start out on our 31 Today homepage. We click on our virtual office, and when that comes up, then we're going to go to contacts, and then it's going to bring you to this page which has a list of all your contacts that's already in there, and you can click import contacts. Now here it would depend on what kind of email you have. The most popular ones are listed. If you don't use one of these, then you have to figure out how to upload your contact list into an Excel spreadsheet, and then you can upload the file there. We're going to use my Yahoo. I'm going to agree to allow it to have access. And let's see how long this takes to be. Maybe it's because I have multiple pages open that this seems to be running slow. I'm not sure. I don't know if I have to. Okay, that's just saying that I did it. So I'm hoping that this will come up here soon. It does say to please note that 31's contact import portal is secure. We only store your contact's email address, first name, and last name. I don't know if I have to keep clicking, if it's just lagging. I do not know. So I'm going to pause the video here until it comes up so that you guys aren't just sitting here listening to me breathe.